around with the children. He is the ice cream man. He has some drinks over here, and we all enjoy when this ice cream man comes to us uh, when we want to have the ice cream. Right now, what's a cold, sweet, and creamy, wonderful? Just now I asked you what's a chill thing that we love to eat, especially on a hot summer day. It is the ice cream, and it is everyone's favorite. You can see children, they are enjoying, even the dog also, he is liking to have the ice cream. Rachel Field is the poetess of this poem, and let us recite this poem, and you also sing with me. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. What does the poetess wish to say in this poem? She says that when it is a hot summer in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, blaze means something very hot, and the surface of the brick goes very hot when it is summertime. We see a man with his little cart with small wheels trundling. Trundling means moving up and down in the street. And he has a round umbrella also. Here we saw in the picture earlier, we saw he had a round umbrella. Let us go again. Yes, this is the round umbrella that he has over his cart, and beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! The sight that we see there, the scene that is there, it is eye-catching. He fills the cones and the cups with mounds. Mounds means heap. Heap means to have something with a large, huge quantity, and they are brown color, they are white in color, and you feel cool to see that. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and there are chilly things, chilled things, chilled cold drinks are there, and bottles full of frosty fizz. Fizz means when you open the cold drink and that those bubbles they come out, that is fizz. Green, orange, white, or pink. His kite might be a flower bed. The way the children cluster around him, he is surrounded by children. It feels as if his cart is a flower bed of roses, sweet peas, and other flowers. Right? This is what the poem was, and now we have the new words. It says blaze. Blaze means bright flame or fire. The flame that occurs with brightness in it, that is known as blaze. It is very hot. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. The wheels are though they are broad, but they are small. You know the cart that he brings. And mounds means heap or pile. Putting anything on with a large quantity one over the other, that is called mounds. Frosty fizz, chilled drink, making a hissing bubbling sound as we open the cold drink and it comes out apparently. That is the hissing bubbling sound. And cluster is together around and group of similar things. That is known as cluster. A cluster of stars, that is a group name for when the so many stars are there, a cluster of stars. Now here are the question answers. In which season is ice cream popular? Obviously the ice cream is popular in summer season. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Just we read and even we feel it. Children feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Name the different flavors of ice cream that the ice cream man has in his carts. They are vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, mango, butterscotch. All these flavors are there in his ice cream cart. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? They are the ice creams and the cold drinks. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? The ice cream cart has been compared to a bed of roses and sweet peas, a flower bed. Now we have let's write section. Having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting. Where has it gone? Yes. Now write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that we can do in winter season. Okay, in summers we can have ice creams, and what about winter season? In winter season we have hot things like coffee, soups. We sit under the sun, we play under the sun. So love to sit under the quilt, lie under the quilt, and have groundnuts. This is all we love to have in the winter season. Now list as many summer activities as you can. Summer activities like swimming, playing outside, outdoor games in the evening, going for morning and evening walks, playing indoor games, having ice creams, cold things, sitting under fan, coolers, ACs, going to water sports. All these activities are there. Now group these into indoor and outdoor activities. This is your assignment. You can do it. Now circle the words where you get a zzz sound. Zzz sound. The way the honeybees buzz, that sound. Honeybees, yes. Price? No, it has sir. Price. Price? Yes. Price. Maze. Face? No. Face does not have z sound. Rice? No. Rise. Yes. Blaze. Fizz. Lazy. Lazy? No. Busy. Racy? No. Raise? Yes. Raise? Yes. Race? No. Ace? No. Chase? Yes. This? No. These? Yes. And frosty? No. So these were the words with the buzzing sound. And listen and tell the sounds of these words in the poem. Produce. Cart. Cart produces like that that wheels that produce na grrr, grrr, like that. And drinks, they produce that fizz sound. Make these sounds. Okay. Now, what are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? Obviously, he calls out for the ice creams. Here now, they have given us a report on Uncle Lal's farm. Father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of the Uncle Lal's cows. He has 50 cows. They eat grass in the big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to the barn to be milked. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. Here was the report about Uncle Lal's farm. We will now try to write a report on different brands of ice cream available in your area. Now we live in Dehradun. So there are many different flavors of ice creams available around us. And some of the top brands of ice creams are Quality Walls, Vadilal, Green Bell, Mother Dairy, etc. And these ice creams are available in the form of cones, sticks, cups, and they come in vanilla, butterscotch, mango, chocolate, strawberry flavors, and they come in the price range of even the smallest ice cream is for ₹10 and the big one to 500 or so. Now this we have discussed. Now here we go for the word building. Color the boxes that have rhyming words. Now rhyming words: city cart, no. Heats street, yes. Blows goes, yes. Do go, no. Hard yard, yes. Bowl, doll, yes. Cow, so, no. Label, table, yes. Sky, my, yes. Play, obey, no. Race, face, yes. Right night, no. Right? And now we have the what do the following words describe in the poem. Before that, let me tell you about the describing words. What are describing words? Describing words describe the quality or quantity of anything. They are also known as adjectives. Now here, what do the following words describe in the poem? Joyful, joyful sight. Little cart, round umbrella, and cones with mounds, different flavors, and children cluster. Now color the boxes with the colors of the flavors mentioned in each. These are different types of flavors of the ice cream. Chocolate is brown in color, vanilla white, orange is orange in color. Blackcurrant is purple, strawberry is pink, raspberry is, again you can go for purple or pink. Butterscotch is yellow and pista is green. You need to draw an ice cream of your choice that you wish. And now, have you ever eaten kulfi, the ice cream from North India? Here they have given the way the ice cream is prepared, but we have to just see. We have to rearrange it. So what will we do? Number one, the kulfi wala, number one will be this. The kulfi wala takes mold out of the pitcher, then he pours some sweet syrup over it. He scoops out the kulfi on a plate. He arranges some faluda around it. This is how the kulfi wala gives us the kulfi. This is our next chapter and we'll do it tomorrow. Okay? All the best.